Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
आज एक तुमकां एक अनाउन्समेंट करून दिसता बरी खुशीची गजाल आमच्या खातीर. आमच्या ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंतान आमचे जे मार्केटान लायटीचे बिल आसले जवळ 6 कोटीचे कितें जाल्ले ते सगळे वेव ऑफ केला. आणि ह्या कामा खातीर खरेंच हांव जे लॉंग पेंडींग इश्यू आसलो जे मार्केट बांदलेल्या पासून जे लायटीचे बिल पेंडींग आसले पयलीं ते ल्हान अमावंट आसलो पयलीं 50 लाख 60 लाख अशें करून 1 कोटी 2 कोटी अशें करून ते इंट्रस्ट करून 6 कोटीचेर पावले. हे सगळें बिल आज वेव ऑफ केला. ह्या बद्दल हांव आमच्या सगळ्या कावन्सिलरा वतीन आमच्या CCPच्या वतीन आमच्या ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टराच्या हांव मनान सान काळजान सान त्यांचे हांव आभार मानता. तशेंच आमचे पावर मिनिस्टर निलेश काब्रालान ताकाय हांव मनान सान ताचे आभार मानता.
The question of somebody else's bill being waived is out of question. I don't know what statement he has made. I have already inquired. There is no question of waiving. They have to pay the bill. Either they pay or to the grant in aid it will be paid.
But Mayor is saying that CM had said that they will waive off the 6 crore rupees of.
You can't waive off. Government has got no authority to waive off. Either government has to give the money to the department. See, today the tariff is increasing only because of people's outstanding. There are more outstandings and that is why the tariff is increasing. It's not possible. Either maybe CM has told that I will pay from government pocket. That is okay. What I have got to do, as long as the money comes. But that is what the file has gone for and that is what is going to happen. So you cannot waive off. There is no question of waiving off.